Some camping gear feels designed more for storage than actual use. But now and then, you find a product that quietly becomes part of almost every outdoor trip because it simply works every single time. And for many campers, this stove has earned exactly that kind of reputation. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today, we're looking at the Coleman Triton 2-burner propane stove, a portable camping cooktop built for campsites, road trips, tailgates, picnics, and outdoor cooking in general. If you want a dependable propane stove that balances portability, cooking power, and ease of use without becoming overly complicated, this is immediately a very relevant option. As always, the purchase link is available in the description below. What makes the Triton stand out is that it focuses on practical outdoor cooking rather than unnecessary extras. With 22,000 total BTUs of cooking power, 2 independently adjustable burners, and built-in wind guards, it's designed to perform reliably in the environments where portable stoves are actually used. Whether you're boiling water early in the morning, cooking breakfast for family, or preparing dinner at a campsite after a long day outdoors, the experience feels straightforward and dependable. Reason 1. Strong cooking power for real outdoor meals. Many portable camping stoves struggle with heat output, especially in colder weather or windy conditions. The Coleman Triton delivers 22,000 BTUs of total cooking power, which gives it enough strength for faster boiling, proper pan heating, and more efficient cooking overall. It feels capable rather than underpowered, even during extended outdoor use. Reason 2. Wind guards improve consistency outdoors. Cooking outside always introduces variables, and wind is usually one of the biggest frustrations. The integrated wind guards help protect the burners and stabilize the flame, which improves heat consistency and reduces wasted fuel. It's a simple feature, but one that makes a noticeable difference at campsites and open outdoor areas. Reason 3. Dual burners create better flexibility. The independently adjustable burners allow you to cook multiple foods at different temperatures simultaneously. You can simmer sauce on one side while boiling water or cooking meat on the other. That flexibility makes the stove feel much more practical for family camping, group trips, or longer outdoor stays. Reason 4. Portable design with thoughtful durability. The Triton remains lightweight and easy to transport while still feeling sturdy enough for repeated use. The heavy-duty latch keeps the stove securely closed during travel, while the compact foldable design stores easily in vehicles, RVs, or camping gear setups. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, it has built a reputation for reliability over time. Reason 5. Easier cleanup and better control. The removable chrome-plated grate simplifies cleaning after cooking, which becomes increasingly valuable during multi-day trips. Coleman also improved the knob rotation for more precise simmering and temperature adjustments, giving users better control compared to many entry-level camp stoves. Of course, this is still a camping stove, not a full outdoor kitchen. Burn time on high is approximately 1 hour per 16-ounce propane cylinder, so longer trips may require additional fuel planning. And while it handles most cooking tasks comfortably, larger cookware setups can feel slightly limited due to the compact footprint. Still, for campers, travelers, and outdoor enthusiasts who value dependable performance over unnecessary complexity, the Coleman Triton 2-burner propane stove remains one of the most practical choices in its category. It delivers reliable heat, smart portability, and a user-friendly design that genuinely supports outdoor cooking instead of complicating it. If your current camping stove feels inconsistent, difficult to clean, or underpowered, this is one worth considering carefully. Take a closer look through the link in the description, compare it to your typical outdoor setup, and decide whether it fits the kind of experience you want on future trips. That's ultimately what buying with confidence is all about.